Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is John with Johnny Truckin' Outdoors, where we are going to be doing hunting and fishing and camping and cooking and everything in the outdoors on this channel. I hope you guys are having a great day, and so glad you guys tuned in to this video here. So I know I mentioned in my last video that I'll just show you around my truck and how my setup is in the back, and also additionally later on in this video I want to show you a bit more about my life. So this here is my Ford F-150. It's a 2010. I bought it with custom lights. I did have to put more aggressive tires on this truck. It does have a 42,000 lumen light bar, a little bit more on the top there. Sorry about the mess, I just have fishing rods everywhere, so that's what I enjoy doing. So, as well as, so it's a 6-seater, but I'm gonna take a look up here and show you guys the miles on this truck. Also, additionally, this truck does not get the best miles to the gallon, as you probably noticed with the topper. This truck currently gets 12.2 miles to the gallon average, but it has 133,187 miles on it. I definitely put on a good 20,000 miles in the last 2.5 years. Not much at all. And originally I bought this truck up in Michigan. I actually lived in Michigan for the majority of my life since 2002. I lived out there by Grand Rapids the majority of the time. And then about 3-5 years ago, I moved out to Detroit and worked as a wildlife and pest control technician and salesman for about 5 years with a wildlife company up there. And then September of this last year, I just moved down to Oklahoma. I'm currently 24 years old. I've been making tons of memories in here. I have a very tall topper with ladder racks on the back with these awesome doors, which you can just lock just like that. You can even lock it with a key, which is extremely nice, as well as a very tall topper. Now, this truck is certainly not my dream truck. It does have issues like some other trucks. So originally I bought this up in Michigan, so it does have pretty decent rusts in certain areas. So, and I've treated this with some rust remover and other stuff in certain areas, but it just keeps on eating out my truck. Yeah, so this topper is pretty tall, so I'm not standing up straight, but at the same time I can stand up and stretch out, and it's a little bit taller in here for me, which is pretty awesome. This is my bed and my setup here, as well as I got a storage bin and an ice chest, a pair of waders, and a hiking backpack, as well as just a storage container rack, you could say, with a coat on top. But yeah, as well as I do need to fix up the side of the back topper. The left-hand side, that arm that extends out, broke on the top. So I need to go grab some screws and be able to drill some holes into it and get that refitted. So here's the piece that broke from up here. So you can see that this side here is attached securely down to here. But on the other side here, this is the piece here that I need to fit back there to attach this piece to. That's a quick overview of this truck here that I've been camping out in, and I hope you guys like my setup. So I'm gonna go head off. I do need to pick up some gas for this truck, as well as I'm gonna be running over to that store to grab that COTS. I'll catch back in with you guys when I get to the gas station. Speaking about expensive, $112 for a tank of gas. It's crazy. And that was a good price too. It was $3.63 or something per gallon. Yeah, $3.63 per gallon. Man. And with this truck getting about 12 miles to the gallon, certainly not my dream truck, but maybe down the road, sooner or later, I'll find some other truck that gets better mileage. I do want to get a smaller topper because that topper is just, it's great for camping, but it's just not practical for mileage wise, as well as a bunch of other things. So but I'm going to head over to the store now and grab that cot, as well as probably a stove cooktop, as well as like a pan or some other stuff. We'll take a look over there and see what we need for the truck. I'm looking for a metal to metal screw. Yeah, let's try that out. They're just a family and farm store. They did not have a good camping selection at all. They just have tents, sleeping bags, and chairs. They didn't even have like much utensils or cooking supplies or whatever else. So I'm gonna have to go check Walmart or some other store, and I'll probably have to go grab some food since I haven't had breakfast or lunch yet, and it's coming right up on 3:30. So I'm gonna go stop at a place and grab something to eat. Hey, may I please have your $5 biggie bag?
You want the bacon double stack?
Yeah, the bacon double stack is good.
How you doing today?
Doing well. How about yourself?
Pretty good.
Staying busy?
I don't know, I just got here.
Just got here? Yeah. Thanks. You have a great day as well. Take care. It's good. Small, but good. I don't need a ton today either. It's not like I'm working out or hiking a bunch or working up an appetite. Perfect. Green light. Perfect timing. Walking into Walmart now. Probably need a cot like that. This is actually 75.6 inches long, so I think that'll work. Trying to find a stove for cooking on. It should be in the same aisle. Should be in here somewhere. No. I'm gonna probably take that. It should be perfect for cooking fish and meals on. 20,000. Let's get that in there. So I'm gonna actually grab this large cast iron. It's already seasoned. I think that this will work as well. Do need to grab a couple totes. Yeah, so that's perfect. Got a bigger one or a smaller one. So with everything I got, including the storage containers and everything else, I'm gonna stick everything in that's in the back in those storage areas how they need to be and organize my truck so we're ready for the next camping adventure. So thanks guys for watching this video. Well guys, I'm going to go ahead and get this bracket repaired right here. So I went ahead and I pre-drilled some holes up here along this area here. Also, I took that piece of metal and I went ahead and I bent it out straight and pre-drilled the holes on the other side. fitting in there perfectly. It's fastened in there well. I'm using these self-tapping drilling screws. I did pre-drill some of these holes, but I think on the underside I don't quite need to do that, so. That should be good. Yeah, that holds a lot better right there. This clip here needs to get popped out. This will fit over that ball. I'm going to get this fitted over that. Get that snap in place. Now all I have to do is just pop that clip right back in. There we go. Yeah. A lot better now. Well, I'm going to go ahead and clean up this mess here in the back and the stuff we picked up. I'm going to set it up properly, so. Almost at that cot now. I'm excited to see how it looks back here. I'm going to test this out. Certainly a lot nicer. Feels cooler underneath the mate. Has a little bit of airflow down there. Comes with a manual. Nice flaps. Probably definitely will help with a little bit of wind going on. Yeah, good looking setup there. So this is my final setup here. I got the bed on this cot here, as well as I have my cooler for any of my food, and a couple totes with all my kitchen supplies in there, a pair of sandals up there, as well as a coat on top of that, and some more kitchen cooking supplies up there. So this is going to be my new setup. I will take this other box of like camping gear and tents and other stuff and put it up in the front of my truck. But well, I just finished setting up the back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for taking time out of your day to watch my video and my setup and everything else. I hope this helps you guys with any ideas you may have in the future on how to camp out in the back of your truck. Keep on trucking, keep on fishing, and I'll catch you guys next time.